Welcome back to the Knowledge Chest. Today we'll learn how to play the A suspended chord on the guitar. This tutorial is designed for beginners and those who are blind, so I'll describe each step clearly. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the chord. First, let's understand what a suspended chord is. The A suspended chord, often written as A sus, replaces the third note of the A major chord with either the second or fourth note. Today, we'll focus on A sus 2 and A sus 4. Step 2. Finding the strings and frets. Your guitar has 6 strings. We'll number them 1 to 6 from the thinnest to the thickest. The frets are the metal strips on the neck of the guitar. Place your fingers just behind these frets to play notes. Step 3. Playing A sus 2. To play A sus 2, do the following. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Leave the 2nd string open, meaning don't press down on it. Strum the strings from the 5th string down to the 1st string. Step 4. Playing a sus 4. To play a sus 4, follow these steps. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Strum the strings from the 5th string down to the 1st string. Step 5. Practice tips. Practice switching between A sus 2, A sus 4, and a major to get comfortable with the finger positions. Take it slow at first and gradually increase your speed as you become more confident. Conclusion. That's it for today's lesson on the A suspended chord. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to switch between these chords smoothly. Please follow the link in the description of this video to hear how the chords are played. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from the Knowledge Chest. Happy strumming!